All right, Suburban Delinquent, pretty exciting. So here we are. This is our secret back room where we do all of our modifications, customizations, things of that nature. We just got
bigger.
We just got done putting on your custom graphic kit for your new Extra Delinquent channel. Travis spent all morning showing us how to do the step-by-step, and this is it, man.
So this is it?
This is it. This is your...
This is the first time I'm seeing it.
WR250F.
Oh my God, I'm nervous.
You're nervous just looking at it?
I bet you're about a foot from touching the ground on each side.
I gotta tell you, I don't have any dirt experience. I'm really excited about this opportunity, and I can't wait to see where this goes, man. You guys are helping me with all kinds of content. Love it.
So the idea here is he's never ridden in the dirt, and that's pretty interesting. For people that go from the street to riding dirt, it's a really big transition. I mean, not much of that skill transfers over. I mean, you have to be used to getting loose, and it's just a whole nother animal. Now, vice versa, if you grow up riding dirt and then you jump into the street, for some reason it's a lot easier.
Yeah,
so
the transition's easier. It's
gonna be exciting. So he's gonna take the bike home, get familiar with it, and then here in a couple weeks we're gonna meet up at a local motocross track, and we're gonna give Suburban Delinquent a little bit of the go-round.
You're throwing me to the wolves. We're going onto the track, huh?
You're gonna be just fine.
We're gonna be doing doubles and triples.
I know you're used to a ton of traction, so when the bike drifts out from underneath you, that's what it's all about.
Believe it or not, I'm really comfortable sliding around.
Perfect.
Just not on the ground.
You're gonna do just fine. We've seen your skills on the street, so it'll, like Kyle said, it'll transition a little bit, but.
So I know I don't need to introduce the internet to Suburban Delinquent, but he's got the current channel with all 500,000 subscribers. It's pretty intense.
Not quite.
Dude, you're so close, dude, so close. So anyway, so basically on that channel, he gets on his bike, he goes somewhere, eats some food, and has an awesome ride. So I encourage you to subscribe to that channel if you haven't already. Now, what you're also gonna find on that channel are links to Extra Delinquent. That's the brand new YouTube channel launched for dirt bike specific content. Like we said earlier, we're gonna take him out to the dirt. We're gonna teach him how to hit a corner properly, how to enter the track properly, what's current track etiquette. We're gonna learn all those things. And then after we're there for a little bit, we're gonna teach him how to properly jump your motorcycle for the first time, how to get comfortable doing that. That's something that's a little bit intimidating for a lot of people, and we're gonna show Suburban Delinquent and you how it's done. So stay tuned and subscribe to those channels.
Well, show me how to put gas in this thing.
All right, so step one, you're gonna pop this little seat cover open, and this is your
there it is.
Fuel tank. So,
all right.
She likes 91.
91.
Yeah.
Premium only the best for this lady.
Fair enough.
Now on the other side,
you know I put 87 in my GSXR.
Do you really?
Oh, I do all the time.
That's awesome.
I do it just to piss people off.
That's good. So down here on the other side, up in front, after Travis gets this thing snapped down, so come on right over here. This little black knob right here is the choke.
Really? There's still chokes on the bike?
So choke, even though,
Is it fuel injected?
Yeah, it's fuel injected, but you still need a choke just to get it started.
And then I'm gonna let
Triumphs are like that too. It's weird.
I'm gonna let you do the honors. Where was the key, Travis?
There's no key.
No key? Okay, cool. So if you want to go ahead,
Should
be in neutral. Let's just go ahead and roll it back and forth real quick. Make sure. Sweet.
This is where everybody makes fun of how short I am.
Go ahead and jump on. He said, I bet you're about a foot from the ground.
Yeah, I'm stuck, man. Here, I'm just gonna.
Sweet. Yeah, you're good. Keep it on the pit.
All right.
It's okay, I ride a bike that's like...
So give it just a quick blip. Right on.
This is awesome.
There you go, now.
And there it is, Suburban Delinquent's new WR250F.
I'm ready for the next adventure.
Stay tuned. I'm Kyle from Chaparral, Suburban Delinquent. We're going to see you out on the trail.
Right on.